country club has been infiltrating our pranksters. You get your guys. Get your guns. Shit. We gotta go.
Just walk the south entrance. Don't see anything.
Should've known. You ruined Cotillion. Asshole.
One could argue that it's always been rotten.
You sound like Alaska.
I've been called worse.
Yeah. It was pretty funny. But you're still an asshole.
Thanks. Dick.
One of the great pranks in Culver Creek history.
Hopefully those weekday warriors learned a valuable lesson today. Look before you squat.
I don't think I'll be able to get their screams out of my ears.
Success.
Indeed.
I believe I was pretty goddamn clear that this event was off limits and all of you defied me. You broke the chain of command. But never have I been so glad to have my orders ignored. That was some funny shit. And I'm not just referring to what they had to hose off the weekday warriors. That was definitely the nicest place I've ever almost burned down.
Hey, you're too good for them anyway, Colonel. Hell, you're too good for Birmingham, for all of Alabama. Some folks describe me as a visionary.
I'm pretty sure that's self-proclaimed.
Because I see the big picture. And here's what I see. We're all gonna get out of here and do great things. But the Colonel is destined for the greatest.
No kidding. Don't come asking for handouts when I make it. I'm serious.
Good evening. Everybody enjoying their Saturday night? Mr. Hother, I just wanted to check and make sure that you could make it back into your room since you seem to be missing these.